Good day everyone, this is Edwin L. Solo Jr. from EED. We are now discussing about what is right. Right is any lawful, social, or moral principle of autonomy or entitlement. As a human being, we have the rights to decide or make a decision on our own, and that's what is autonomy. And entitlement, it is the rights of every human that is natural. Nung pagkapanganak natin, may karapatan na tayo nun. Karapatang mabuhay, karapatang i-express ang sarili natin kung saan tayo masaya, and entitlement because alam naman natin na ang mga tao sa paligid is rational. So that is rights. So mag-move tayo sa 3 types of rights. Unahin natin ang civil rights. Civil rights are entitlement provided by a certain locality to its public constituents. These include the right to free speech. Every citizen is allowed to communicate openly. He or she is permitted to voice opinions, even if it is criticizing the government, just as long as it has basis and evidence. So yung civil rights, it is the rights of yung sa isang locality lang, sa rights ng mga kasapi sa constituents. At dito sa civil rights, may karapatan tayong salita tungkol sa mga opinions and ideas natin. Basta meron lang siyang basis at evidence kung sa government natin or kinikriticize natin yung government. And some example of civil rights are, first one is the freedom of speech. Ito yung karapatan nating mga tao upang makapagbigay ng opinion or suggestion sa isang bagay. Halimbawa is yung citizen is nakakriticize niya yung government policies in a public forum or on social media. Karapatan niya yan kasi may ebidensya siya or may basis siya nung nung ginagawa niyang pagkikriticize sa government. So, ang pangalawa is freedom of the press. Ito naman is it is the rights of the media to publish the news, political opinions, and other content without government intervention. Kunyari yung halimbawa na lang is sa newspaper. Yun. Sa newspaper, pwede nila yung i-publish tungkol sa yung investigation nila na tungkol sa halimbawa sa corruption or sa mga murder incident. Pangatlo is right to a fair trial. Every citizen is entitled to a fair trial in the court of law. This include the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty. So karapatan natin to magkaroon ng pantay na paglilitis sa mga akusado or mga nililitis sa korte. Ang pang-apat is right to vote. Right to vote is ito yung karapatan nating bumoto, pero hindi ka pa makakaboto pag hindi mo na-meet yung certain age na required para bumoto sa election at pumili ng mga representative mo or mga iboboto mong officials or sa mga gusto mong maupo sa pwesto. panghuli is freedom of assembly. So, dito sa freedom of assembly, ito yung karapatan na freedom of assembly, ito yung right na pwede kang kumuha publicly or privately and collectively express to promote or pursue and defend common interest. Halimbawa na lang is yung sa paglilitis nga, pwede kang kumuha publicly or privately ng isang ebidensya or makakatulong sa pag-defend mo ng kaso na yun. Next type of rights is the political rights. Political rights are administrative entitlements provided by a specific government. This include the right to run for office. Every citizen has the right to be elected as a representative of his or her community as long as he or she meets various criteria. Dito sa political rights, ito yung karapatan natin maupo sa pwesto sa gobyerno or pwede ka rin magpalakad ng isang office or bago ka maging isang representative ng isang community is dapat na-meet mo muna yung criteria na hinahanap or need talaga ng isang position na yun kung tatakbuhan. Halimbawa na lang yung age, yung sa years, kung ilang taon ka na nakatira dun sa lugar na yun para masabi na representative ka talaga ng isang community na yun. So here are some examples of political rights. First one is right to vote. Every eligible citizen has the right to participate in election and choose their representative. So karapatan natin pumoto at pumili ng karapat-dapat na representative or magiging pangulo or anything na about sa politics. So this right to vote, ito yung karapatan natin para mag-participate sa election at pumili ng karapat-dapat na representative na makakatulong sa pag-angat ng ating bansa. Pangalawa, right to run for office. Citizens have the opportunity to be candidates and seek election to public offices or position of authority. So yun nga, right to run for office. Ito yung election na kunyari, office of the president, office of the president na makakapagbigay ng authority at makakatulong sa pag-intindi at pag-asikaso ng mga papeles or kung ano doon sa politika. So, meron din dito sa political rights na right to freedom of speech. Citizens have the right to express their opinions, voice their concerns, and engage political discourse without fear of retaliation or yung censorship. Yung hindi sila matatakot na i-voice out yung mga opinions at ideas nila, yung mga concerns about sa isang politiko or sa isang bagay na dapat nilang masabi. So our last type of right is social rights. Our entitlement related to public services and to social protection. These include insurance, healthcare, welfare, housing, and pension. So it is important to know the social rights because each which individuals have access to essential services and support system that contribute to their well-being and the quality of life. It helps, nakakatulong din yung social rights to sa mga taong nangangailangan, and nakakapag-provide ang gobyerno ng insurance, healthcare para sa mga nakakapag-provide ang gobyerno ng insurance, healthcare, welfare, and yung pabahay at sa pensions. The importance of knowing or learning the rights is, first is the protection. It protects you from the violation. Pangalawa is empowerment. Enables you to stand against injustices. And pangatlo, equality. It promotes fair and non-discriminatory treatment for everyone. Informed decision. It aids in making knowledgeable choices. And the last one is responsibility. It fosters respect for other rights. So, ito yung mga importansya ng pag-aaral ng mga rights natin or yung mga karapatan para maging protektado at alam natin yung pinaglalaban natin. And that is my part. Thank you.